Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This is part number 4 from the last section dealing with using how to deliver a checkmate using the elbow horse as one of the protagonists. It will be from the last section of the book, also in the last section, the last chapter of the book. Now, before we continue, the example given here is a little bit flawed, but nevertheless, I think that what the authors are trying to portray or teach, the technical combinations used are worth learning. So without further ado, let us begin. A quick analysis of the board would show that red would have one chariot, one horse, one cannon, one pawn, a full guard. Black would have similar material, except that he would only have one elephant. Now, black to go first. Now, if red were to go first, he would deliver a checkmate with c1 equals to 3. And the chariot is now defending. It is also in the scope of the black horse. So how can black turn the tables and go on to win? The first move would to deliver a check with the cannon, such that black tries to hopes to force the king back into the palace, where the horse could deliver elbow check. Now this is where the flaw in the game in the puzzle was shown. Now in the book, black did play k6 equals to 5, but actually a more stubborn counter would be to simply capture the black cannon over here. Although black would invariably win, but at least reds would have put up much more of a fight, and it would take black much more effort to win. Now let us see. Supposedly, let us assume that the puzzle began from this board. So black's turn to move. Now the correct move at this point in time would be to go for the elbow horse, because if black captured the chariot, red would simply capture the horse when it's delivering a check, and black would still have a winning position. But a better move would be h2 plus 3. Now the following combination can be found in the ancient manuals. I cannot remember which puzzle already, but it can be found in the ancient manuals, and it demonstrates a kill similar to the previous board. So let us begin. A check. Now because the king cannot move out, otherwise the cannon is delivering a check, so red can only retreat the chariot to block the horse. Now the black would continue with r2 plus 6 to deliver a check, and since the chariot is pinned by the horse, if it moved, the horse will be delivering a check. The only move that red can make would be to lower the advisor, but at this point in time, this would be where the magic starts. r2 equals to 4. Black sacrifices the chariot. The king cannot capture the chariot, otherwise the cannon will be delivering a check. So likewise, the chariot cannot capture the chariot, or the horse will deliver a check. So the only legal move would be to play k5 plus 1. With k5 plus 1, red continues to capture the chariot. Again, if black captures the chariot, this will be an immediate checkmate. So black would now, like in the previous video, will move the chariot to the this file, check, capture the advisor, forcing the king to the third rank, and then deliver the final blow with this checkmate. So this is a very nice nifty combination. Let us view it from the eyes of black. Then in this board, the first two moves are a little bit controversial. Let's suppose we started from this position. Black will deliver a check, h2 plus 3, block, check, block. The chariot cannot move. This would be the essential move in this board, sacrificing the chariot or offering a sacrifice. And the king can only move up. Another sacrifice or the offer, if red captured, it will be a checkmate. And capturing, moving away for this discover check, because black has set up a discover check. forcing it up before dealing the final blow. Now, such kills are abundant, can be abundantly found in the ancient manuals, and it has been one of the must learn portions of your Xiangqi training if you want to be good at it. So please go through the ancient manuals, especially the elegant pastime manual, to learn all these tactics. So if you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.